Hi everyone, this is my demo lecture for social science teacher and I am choosing the topic polity for my demo lecture and my topic would be democracy. That is the very first chapter. So I would like to ask you a question. What do you mean by democracy? Okay, so just before I actually give you a constitutional term of democracy, I would like to give you a very small example. मान लो आप लोगों को एक क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चूज करना है फ्रॉम योर ओन क्लास, बट ये राइट आपसे छीन के टीचर्स को दे दिया जाए दैट टीचर्स विल चूज व्हाट लीडर शुड बी देयर एंड होम दे वांट टू मेक अ लीडर एंड दे विल डिसाइड व्हाट एवर विल हैपन. सो आई गेस यू पीपल विल फील वायलेटेड कि हमारा राइट है ये, बिकॉज class representative should be abided and selected by the students, because students know who is better to be a representative and what problems student face will be able to convey to the class representative, and teachers should not have that right. You will feel that your rights have been violated. that means आपको कोई right नहीं मिला है और आपको सिर्फ एक डिसीजन दे दिया गया है. क्या ये डेमोक्रेसी में आता है? मुझे नहीं लगता, क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी में होता है कि आप ही अपना लीडर चूज करोगे, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि कौन कैसा है एंड हाउ दैट पर्सन विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू योर प्रॉब्लम्स, टू योर क्वेरी, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट डेमोक्रेसी इज. हमें बोला जाता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डेमोक्रेसी इज अ वेरी हैवी वर्ड, बट इन सिंपल टर्म्स डेमोक्रेसी इज द पावर टू चूज योर ओन लीडर, and you should have the right to re-elect the leader if you do not like it, and you can change the leader after some years, like 1 year, 5 years. But in India we usually have elections through which we can change our leader if we do not like it. Elections do happens even after 5 years, and each and everyone is equal before the elections. Like if you are above 18 years, you are eligible for इलेक्शन. हम लोग भेदभाव नहीं करते कि कौन लड़का है कौन लड़की है, हु इज़ रिच, हु इज़ पुअर, हु इज़ बिलोंगिंग टू विच कास्ट. एवरी वन इज़ इक्वल बिफोर द लॉ. And of course elections should be very free, and there should be no corruption, no biased decisions. That's why each and everyone is allowed to be a part of the elections. So based on the elections only, we choose our leader whom we want to represent our country. So that's how elections do happen. And even prime minister is not above the law. हम सब लॉ के अंदर ही आते हैं. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा बनाया गया है वो एक डेमोक्रेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, और उसी के बिहाफ पे हम सबको वर्क करना होता है. हम लोग, इवन प्राइम मिनिस्टर, हमको ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि आपको ये चीज़ें करनी है. द इलेक्शंस आर वेरी वेरी फ्री एंड पीपल आर free to do whatever they want to whomever they want to choose. Like giving you an example of China, they have monarch government, which means कि आपको लीडर वहीं पे दिया जाएगा. यू हैव नो choice to change your leader, or I would say you don't have choice to have elections. So whatever the leader says you have to follow, you don't have any other choices. So I believe this is not good, right. मान लो कि आपको कोई पिकनिक पे जाना है और टीचर्स ने डिसाइड कर लिया कि कौन कौन जाएगा कौन कौन नहीं जाएगा, उन्होंने प्लेस डिसाइड कर ली. तो फिर आपको लगेगा ना कि हमें क्यों अलाउ नहीं किया गया है जाना, हमारे डिसीजंस था, हमें पिकनिक पे जाना था, तो वी शुड बी द वन to be in charge of this, not the teachers. So this is what happens. So democracy should be there in each and every country, and you live in a place where we are actually democratic. So yes, that's what democracy is about. To be a democratic country, there should be few things. The first one should be there should be free and no biased elections. Elections should be held regularly after 5 years. People should be able to choose their government and their leader. So yes, so these are the things that should be there in a democratic country. And moving on ahead, advantages of democracies are you are free to do whatever you want to do. That comes under the law. You can choose your leader, you can put on your thoughts in front of anyone. There should be proper laws that abide you. So yeah, these are the advantages. And the disadvantages are sometimes क्या होता है ना कि द गवर्नमेंट मेक्स वेरी स्लो डिसीजंस. देयर कैन बी करप्शंस, देयर कैन बी, आई वुड से, people who will not agree with you, but still this is better than being a monarch country. So yes, that's what my demo lecture is. Thank you for watching.